Hi my loves, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jazz. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can tell by the title, today is going to be a declutter. I'm gonna try to consolidate this to be not as long, so I think I might do it in little doses. So we might do like complexion products and like eyeshadows and stuff like that, because if I literally try to sit here and declutter my entire collection today, it's not gonna happen, and you guys will probably fall asleep or X out of the video if you haven't already. So anyway, we're gonna dive into a lot of products that I have because it's time. I've been debating this for a minute and I'm a little nervous and scared. So I'm gonna tie my hair up right now. I'm recording it on my cell phone because my camera battery is charging, and we're gonna tie this hair up because we're about to get into this crazy mess that I have of like beauty products. So bear with me, kick back, relax, take your bra off, get comfortable, and let's declutter some makeup. Okay, so this top drawer is basically like newer products that I need to go through and like organize a little bit better. But as you can see, these are just literally like brand new products that I have to test out, haven't used, and I'm gonna be showcasing them in an upcoming video with the exception of this. This is like really, oh, speaking of, this can get decluttered. I had this for such a long time. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation, and I used to use this to contour, and I did get some good use out of this. This has to get out of here. This needs to go in the trash. And another product that I see that needs to go in the trash, this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I did like this only for like maybe 2 uses, and then after a while it started to clump and flake and all that stuff like that. I did like how long it made my lashes look, but as far as like longevity, it did not last or hold up. And then this is like pretty pricey. This is not cheap, so I was shocked that this thing didn't work. So she's getting tossed. All right, so we have another messy drawer. So this, I don't even know why this is still here. I finished this foundation and then apparently I just tossed it back in the drawer because I'm a savage. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and I do love this foundation very, very much. Well, not a foundation, it's a CC cream, but it performs exactly like a foundation. I love this product, but there's really not that much in here, and I was gonna say I had this for a long time, but that's not true. I didn't have this for a long time. I think just a couple of months. This kind of like just came out, right? So I'm gonna toss this because 1, I don't even have the flipping lid, which is so unsanitary, and 2, there's like maybe 2 drops of foundation left in here. So yeah, she can go. This sadly needs to go because it is expired. These are the Jelly Pop Flush Blushes from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is from their Jelly Pop collection, and they were really, really beautiful once upon a time, but these are expired. I don't even think that this is even safe for me to use anymore. I haven't reached for them in a while because it's an older collection, obviously, but these need to get tossed. And I was gonna say, let's swatch them, but honestly, I don't even wanna touch them. They dried up a little bit considering that they've been in my drawer for a long time. I thought that this was gonna be like hard, but it still looks like it has like that jelly consistency, which is really beautiful. But this one right here was my absolute favorite. I use this one all the time. I got some really good use out of these blushes, and obviously this one too. This one was obviously a little bit more lighter, and I used to place this one like all over my lids when I wanted that nice dewy look. It was good while it lasted. Unfortunately, I am going to declutter these Wet n Wild highlighters because I have these in my collection for a very, very long time, but I really do like these, so I'm just gonna repurchase them. This one was way too light. This one was a little too dark, so that's why I had both of these, because when you blend them out, they made like the perfect color. And these are the shade names in the back. Where is it? Where is, no, that's not Mega Glow. I'm like, oh, no, it's in the front. Duh. What's wrong with me? So here we go, Golden Flower Crown. And then this one is Crown of My Canopy. Very, very beautiful, but for like brown skin separately. Oops. But for brown skin separate. Oh, did it break? It did not break. Oh, the top just opened up. But for brown skin, like these two together is like the perfect combination. But this one on its own, ooh, this one in the inner corner, fabulous. All right, so this is a product that I had in my collection for a minute, and I'm so debating on whether if I should toss this because I love this so much. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette from Juvia's Place. Oh, These blushes in here are just like not your traditional blushes. You have blush toppers. This one here can be used as a highlighter. It is just stunning. You know what? I'm not tossing this. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't know which collection this was from. Something Paradise from e.l.f. What is it? Is it on here? No, it's not. This is the multi-dimensional face and body shimmer. This thing did not give you any type of glow at all. And I was very disappointed because that's a lot of highlighter. So this is getting tossed. And look, I just swatched it. I look a little ashy, but I've been like touching makeup all day. But like all you see is glitter. You don't see like a really, really nice highlighter. This highlighter that you see right here that is glistening, it's not this one. It is this one. And this is from Believe Beauty. You can see like it's breaking apart and I'm so sad about it, but I'm not decluttering this. This is one of the best highlighters that you guys will ever use in your life. I'm telling you, this one is too light. I have another one that's a little bit more on the darker side, a little bit more bronzier, but I need to put her on the side because she's breaking apart. But this is literally the best highlighter palette. And this is $5, y'all. She's not going nowhere, but this one is. Why do I have this in my collection? Remember this, y'all? The Too Faced Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer. This was really good back in the day, but this didn't perform like a bronzer for me. I used this as eyeshadow and I didn't use it as often. So this is getting tossed. And then plus this is like really old. I gotta look up the year. It's been a minute since I used this and it looks like it's still fresh, but I did use it at least once or twice. So this is definitely getting tossed. Another product that is getting tossed, and this is only because this is old, but this is one of my favorite lash glues, the Duo Eyelash Adhesive. Oh, this thing is amazing. This is the white one. I don't really like the white one too much. I like the black one, but still good nonetheless. This is a really, really good lash adhesive because when it comes off like a putty and it doesn't strip your lashes or anything like that. So I love this lash glue. I just have to get more. Another gem. Oh my God, I almost forgot about this. The Lip Bar Fast Face Foundation. They don't even sell this anymore, and they are going to be coming out with a brand new foundation very soon. When? I have no idea, and I'm just waiting for it. But I love this foundation so much. It has like a little brush, and you just click the product up right here on the bottom. This is like one of the best foundations from the drugstore. I just dropped the top on the floor, but this is so long wearing. I cannot wait for them to come out with their newer foundation because I'm gonna grab it ASAP because this thing is really, really good. The coverage is amazing, and the Lip Bar products, you can never go wrong with the Lip Bar. I live for them. Another gem. Oh my God, Chantilly Cosmetics. I don't even think this brand is even in existence anymore, but this thing, Chantilly Glow Dough. Oh my God, this, you know what? I'm not gonna toss this because when I want like that really, really nice dewy look, oh, this thing is phenomenal. Let me show you. Now, I will say it is a little heavy on the glitter. It gives you like that very shiny, wet look that I love. It is so silky. And this, when the light hits it, my goodness, everybody's gonna notice you. They're gonna be like, who is that girl? We need to know what is on her cheeks. And this is like perfect. It gives you that really nice, gorgeous shine to your skin. This is absolutely stunning. Even though they are no longer in existence, I have to keep it because I'm in love with it. Surprisingly, I think the only complexion product that I can toss is this one right here. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I love this foundation, but the only reason why I need to toss is because she has been in my collection for a very long time. So this one I need to repurchase for sure. But everything else in here is a keeper. I have some new stuff and some stuff that I am still currently using. So next drawer. So this drawer is my current skincare drawer. I actually consolidated a lot of my skincare products. This is not skincare, however. I was looking for this. I'm glad I found it. But we're not going to touch anything in this drawer. Everything in here I use. So here on the other side of the room, as far as concealers, this is probably the only one that I need to declutter, and that is because she is also old and very, very dry. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer, and you can tell this is dry. So she's getting tossed. My lipstick collection is surprisingly pretty current. So I have a lot of new products and products. Oh, this one. I said pretty current, but this can get tossed. This is the e.l.f. Nabella Noor collaboration, and this was good once upon a time, but this is a dried up lipstick, I'm pretty sure, because this collection came out a while ago. So she's getting tossed. I was gonna keep it for like memories and stuff, but nah, she can get tossed. Only one primer is getting tossed in the garbage, and that is from Dr. Brand. This Luminizer primer is only getting tossed because this is an old product. This was a really, really good primer once upon a time. I really did enjoy this. It is a little bit more on the pricier side. I think back in the day I did get this in a boxy charm, but I was so glad that I received it, and it was a good primer. And I found another one from Cover FX. This is another one that I got in a boxy charm. This is the blurring primer. This was good too. It did have like a little tint to it. Made your skin feel really silky smooth. I loved it, but she needs to get tossed too because I've had her for a very long time. Now this, I know for a fact, my blush collection is on point. It is current. Everything in here is staying. I don't care what nobody says. Everything in here is like either current or blushes that I use all the time. So this is not going anywhere. And this is the only powder that's gonna get tossed. This is from Becca. Oh, I missed them already. This was the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. This thing felt like water on your skin. Like if you wanted that really nice cooling feel, this was gonna give you that, and this was gonna give you that filter effect on your face. This was a great, great powder. I got some really good use out of it, so I'm not mad about throwing this out, but I love this powder so, so much. So I cleared out the majority of my liners, but I found these in another drawer. These are the AOA Eyes on Me liners. The colors are so beautiful, but they are really, really drying, and the formula is not good. The color as far as pigment is gorgeous, but it kind of has like this fishy smell, which is gross. I know these are like $1, but that's still not an excuse for it to smell so funky. They smell horrible, and the way that they dry, it's like so clumpy on the eyes. You don't want your eyelids smelling like fish. These are definitely getting tossed. So I don't know how long this video is, but that drawer behind me is probably gonna happen at another time. I'm gonna have to check the footage and see how long this video is, but I think I'm done for now because I'm already sweating and I need to eat before I catch an attitude. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how much you love declutter videos down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you in my next video. Peace.